Good morning, students. We studied synthesis, means combining two sentences into one. We have studied different methods to combine two or more sentences into one without using conjunctions. If you remember, when we use different methods to combine two or more sentences into one without using conjunction, that time the sentence is simple sentence. When we combine two or more sentences into one without using conjunction, that time the sentence is simple sentence. Students, now we have to study synthesis, but when we join two sentences with conjunction and we have to make compound sentence. Pay attention here. Synthesis, we know, combine two simple sentences into one. Combining two or more sentences into one, that is synthesis. Now we have to study combining two simple sentences into one compound sentence. And we are familiar with compound sentence as we studied simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. Complex sentence, it has two clauses and these two clauses join with coordinating conjunction. Two independent clauses join with coordinating conjunctions. Then the sentence is compound sentence. Coordinating conjunctions are fanboys: for, and, not, but, or, yet, and so. These are coordinating conjunctions. When we use coordinating conjunctions to join two simple sentences, that time the sentence becomes compound sentence. Let's see the example. He was absent. He completed his assignment. Here two simple sentences. He was absent, one simple sentence. Second simple sentence, he completed his assignment. Now we have to combine these two sentences to make it compound sentence. Now when we have to make compound sentence, so we have to use two clauses and we can easily make two clauses as we are given two simple sentences. And we have to use appropriate coordinating conjunction. Here, he was absent, he completed his assignment. We can make it compound by combining these two sentences using yet. He was absent, yet he completed his assignment. See, he was absent, yet he completed his assignment. Here, two clauses. He was absent, he completed his assignment. And both the clauses join with the coordinating conjunction yet. So, our sentence is compound sentence. So, we have combined two simple sentences into one compound sentence. We have used coordinating conjunction yet. See the next example. I was ill, I was absent yesterday. Here also two simple sentences. I was ill. Second, I was absent yesterday. Now these two simple sentences we have to combine to make it a compound sentence. So we have to use two clauses and we have to use one of the coordinating conjunction, and that coordinating conjunction should be most appropriate. I was ill, so I was absent yesterday. I was ill, so I was absent yesterday. Now the sentence has become compound sentence. See, we have combined two sentences. First clause, I was ill. Second clause, I was absent yesterday. And both the clauses joined with so, and so it is coordinating conjunction. So the sentence has become compound sentence. Students, I hope it is clear to you. We have to combine two simple sentences into one compound sentence. And compound sentence, it has two clauses joined with coordinating conjunctions. Fan voice, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Thank you, students.